Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaklio English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm so happy to see you here today.
And I'm excited too. Hello, everyone. How are you all doing today?
Today, we have something very special for you. We're going to share amazing English speaking tips for beginners.
Yes, and don't worry, these tips are super easy to follow. Even if you are just starting to learn English, you can do this.
That's right. Speaking English doesn't have to be scary or difficult. We're here to help you every step of the way.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. It really helps us create more lessons for you.
Yes, please hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell so you never miss our videos.
Okay, are you ready to learn some awesome speaking tips?
Let's get started.
So the first tip for speaking English is very simple. Are you ready?
Yes, tell us the first tip.
The first tip is start speaking from day one. Don't wait until you're perfect.
Oh, that's such good advice. Many people wait and wait. They say, I will speak when my English is perfect.
But that's a big mistake. You need to practice speaking to get better at speaking.
Exactly. It's like learning to swim. You can't learn to swim by reading books. You have to jump in the water.
Perfect example. So remember everyone, start speaking from day one. Don't wait.
Even if you make mistakes, that's okay. Mistakes help you learn.
Yes, let me say it again. Start speaking from day one. Say it with me, everyone. Start speaking from day one.
Great. Now, what's the second tip?
The second tip is think in English, not in your language.
Can you explain that more? What does it mean to think in English?
Good question. Let me show you. When you want to say something, don't translate from your language to English.
Oh, I understand. So if I want to say, I am hungry, I shouldn't think it in my language first, right?
Exactly. Just think directly. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry.
That makes sense. But how can beginners practice this?
Start small. When you see a pen, think this is a pen. When you see a book, think this is a book.
Oh, so we talk to ourselves in English.
Yes, talk to yourself in English every day. It helps you think in English.
Let's practice right now. I look at my phone and I think, this is my phone. I use my phone every day.
Perfect. That's exactly right. See everyone? It's easy. Think in English, not in your language.
I love this tip. What's the third tip?
The third tip is learn phrases, not just single words.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Instead of learning just the word hungry, learn the full phrase, I am hungry.
Oh, yes, that's so helpful because you can use the phrase immediately.
Exactly. Let me give you more examples. Don't just learn tired, learn I am tired.
Don't just learn happy, learn I am happy.
Don't just learn thirsty, learn I am thirsty.
This is really smart. When you learn phrases, you can speak faster.
Yes, and it sounds more natural. Native speakers use phrases, not single words.
So remember, everyone, learn phrases, not just single words. This tip will change your English.
Now, let's talk about the fourth tip. This one is very important.
What is it?
The fourth tip is practice listening and speaking together.
What do you mean by together?
Well, many students only listen. They watch videos or listen to podcasts, but they don't speak.
Oh, I see. So we need to do both at the same time.
Yes, after you listen to something, repeat it out loud. Copy what you hear.
Can we practice this right now?
Of course, I'll say a sentence and you repeat it. Ready?
Ready.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
Excellent. See everyone? That's how you practice listening and speaking together.
Now it's your turn at home. Listen to this sentence and repeat, I love learning English.
Go ahead, say it out loud. I love learning English.
Don't be shy. Say it again. I love learning English.
Great job, everyone. This is how you improve your pronunciation and fluency.
Okay, what's the fifth tip?
The fifth tip is record yourself speaking.
Oh, that's interesting. Why should we record ourselves?
Because when you record yourself, you can hear your mistakes. You can listen and learn.
That's true, but some people feel shy about recording their voice.
I know, but it's only for you. Nobody else has to listen. It's your private practice.
That's a good point. How should people start recording themselves?
Very simple. Use your phone. Read a sentence and record it. Then listen to it.
Can you give an example sentence to record?
Sure, try recording this. Hello, my name is, and say your name. I am learning English. I practice every day.
Everyone, pause this video right now. Record yourself saying that sentence, then play it back and listen.
When you listen, check your pronunciation. Are the words clear? Can you understand yourself?
This tip is so helpful. Record yourself speaking. It really works.
Now, let's move to the 6th tip. Are you ready?
Always ready. What's the 6th tip?
The 6th tip is don't be afraid of mistakes.
Oh yes, this is so important. Many students are afraid to speak because they might make mistakes.
But everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
That's true. Mistakes are part of learning. They help us get better.
Let me tell you a secret. When I was learning English, I made many mistakes every day.
Really? What kind of mistakes?
I said I goed to the store instead of I went to the store.
That's okay. We all make mistakes like that.
Exactly, and each mistake helped me learn. Now I know the correct way.
So everyone, please remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your teachers.
Yes, make mistakes, learn from them, and keep speaking. That's the way to improve.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Say it with me. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Perfect. Now, the 7th tip is speak slowly and clearly.
Oh, this is important. Why slowly?
Because many beginners try to speak too fast. They want to sound like native speakers immediately.
But that's difficult, right?
Yes, when you speak too fast, you make more mistakes and people can't understand you.
So it's better to speak slowly and clearly, right?
Exactly. Let me show you. Listen to this fast version. Hi, my name is Tom and I'm learning English. Did you understand that?
No, that was too fast.
Now listen to the slow version. Hi, my name is Tom and I am learning English. Much better, right?
Yes, so clear and easy to understand.
So everyone, speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Take your time with each word.
Quality is better than speed. Remember that.
Now, let's talk about the 8th tip. This one is really fun.
I can't wait. What is it?
The 8th tip is use English in your daily life.
What do you mean? How can we use English every day?
Well, there are many ways. For example, change your phone language to English.
Oh, that's smart. So every time you use your phone, you see English words.
Yes, you can also watch English videos, listen to English songs, or read English signs.
Can you give more examples?
Sure. When you go shopping, read the labels in English. When you cook, read the recipe in English.
Oh, I love that. So we bring English into everything we do.
Exactly. The more you see and use English, the more natural it becomes for you.
This is such a practical tip. Use English in your daily life. Make English part of your routine.
Yes, and before you know it, English becomes easy and natural for you.
Okay, everyone. Now it's time for a fun practice section.
Yes, we're going to do a role play. I will ask questions and host one will answer. Then you can practice at home.
Perfect. I'm ready. Ask me anything.
Okay, first question. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. What is your name?
My name is Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. Where are you from?
I am from Australia. That's great.
See, everyone? This is basic conversation practice. Very simple questions and answers.
Now you try at home. Answer these questions out loud. What is your name? Where are you from?
Don't just think the answers, say them out loud. That's how you practice speaking.
Okay, let's continue. Next question. What do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English. What do you do?
I am a teacher too. We both love teaching English.
Yes. Now, everyone, answer this question. What do you do? Say it out loud right now.
Great job. Let's do one more. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I love learning English. It's fun and useful. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I love it too. Learning English opens many doors.
Okay, everyone, your turn. Answer, do you like learning English? Tell us out loud.
Excellent practice. Did everyone do it? I hope so.
Now, let's review all 8 tips quickly. This is important.
Yes, tip 1, start speaking from day 1. Don't wait until you're perfect.
Tip 2, think in English, not in your language. Practice thinking in English every day.
Tip 3, learn phrases, not just single words. Phrases help you speak naturally.
Tip 4, practice listening and speaking together. Copy what you hear out loud.
Tip 5, record yourself speaking. Listen and learn from your recordings.
Tip 6, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn and improve.
Tip 7, speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Take your time.
And tip 8, use English in your daily life. Make English part of your routine.
These 8 tips will transform your English speaking skills.
If you follow these tips, you will see improvement very quickly.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Be patient with yourself.
Practice a little bit every single day. Even 5 minutes helps.
You can do this. We believe in you.
Wow, that was such a great lesson today. I hope you learned a lot.
Me too. These tips are simple but very powerful. Use them every day and watch your English improve.
Now it's homework time. We